This is the cheapest fully functioning 1 Series that I could find. So a bit of context on the car. I bought it 2 years ago. I just wasn't able to get insured on it, so it's kind of been sitting around gathering dust. However, it is fully working and fully functioning. Stay tuned till the end because I do find a big flaw that's gonna cost me a fortune. So just a brief look around the car. There is definitely some bodywork damage that needs fixing. I will fix what I can. This will become a project car. As you can see all around it, it's very basic. It is a 120D, produces 150 brake horsepower. You can see it has scratches all over it, but it has a lot of potential. Now looking at some of the issues that I think it has, firstly you got the spacing over here, which I find is a bit too big for my liking, and I don't know if that's due to damage or not. There are scratches in every corner that I will need to fix. There are scratches on the bumper. There are scratches in the corner here and on the main bumper. Not sure how I'm going to fix the bumper scratch over there, but I'll need to figure it out. So this dent over here is quite visible. This car is a Cat C, and the guy told me that the damage was over here in this wheel arch. So I don't know, like, it's been fixed. It was sold by a dealer to this guy that I bought it from. That corner scratches. There is this paint is just breaking up here. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. There is this yellow, I don't know if it's grease or whatever it is on there. It's not easy to remove. I don't know, I'll need to figure out how to fix that. But yeah, paint is breaking all over, and I need to figure out how to get that all fixed. Just more scratches. Now moving on to the interior. It all looks fine, everything's functioning, there are no flaws, no issues, it's just ugly. It's grey all over, everywhere you look it's grey. So I'm going to be doing a lot of modifications. All the trim is going to be changed, the trim on the gear knob and just all the trim period. I'm going to get vinyl wrap and wrap it all up. I'm still trying to figure out what color works well with grey interior, because everything is grey in there. I'm talking carpet, seats, everything. It's disgusting. So I need to change that. I'm going to install a new radio as well, but that's about it. Now here we move on to the actual problem. Now the car is tilting down on this side, and I think the suspension is leaking. I'm sending this off to Halfords to give me a quote and check it out, but I think it will need suspension repair, which will cost me a fortune. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please tune in for the next video where I'm sending the car to Halfords to get a quote on how much it will cost me to replace the suspension or whatever is broken of it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.